Hi guys, it's Stuart back again for another video. Today I will be watching Sindel versus Black Canary. The Battle of the Screamers and Criers. Alright, so I only have 16 minutes on the clock, so I'll make the best I can out of it. So, yeah. Alright, so I feel like we should always think of main abilities, since main abilities always can help someone win in a death battle. Their main abilities are their screams. So, off the bat, seems like Sindel herself can already destroy the canary cry in strength. And considering she's been killed, brainwashed, and all that, I'm pretty sure that she has a lot of experience. She has experience as a zombie, experience as a sorcerer. Martial arts I definitely give to Black Canary since that was a lot. Oh my god. But yeah. I did see a sneak peek. I always see sneak peeks. Just to prove I've seen it. Black Canary beats up Baraka, then Sindel comes in. Even Shao Kahn's gonna say, "Fight!" So we have the announcer back. So, for speed, I'm going to have to give this to Sindel, because they were scaling her to a lot of the original combatants. Cabal was one, and he was able to, like, chop bullets back to back to back. I'm pretty sure Black Canary didn't come close. Yeah. But I think Black Canary has a durability. Overall, I think Sindel's gonna win this match. Let's get to it.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
Enough of this farce, Earthrealmer. Behold your queen! I shall strip the flesh from your bones. Are you hurt, child? Let me sing you a lullaby.
No kidding. I almost fell asleep. So are ring outs a thing here?
Insufferable creature, we fight to the death! Such a pretty bird with such an ugly song. Tell me, can you fly? Fatality.
KO! Looks like Sindel's head is blasting up again! Or, well, for the first time technically, so I tried to work it in, guys.
This battle was a curious one. For the most part, Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey.
Yeah, she was 160 times stronger. But canaries made a living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that, like Mammoth and Giganta. So I guess that wasn't that big of an advantage, really.
Comparing Cabal's bullet timing to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times faster. And with her wide array of martial arts abilities, she certainly capitalized on this.
Sure, Sindel had some awesome moves, but sadly, stepping on people like a hot dominatrix doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered way more fighting styles. Plus, she's been training all her life. Adenia was super peaceful before Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that.
But let's move on to the comparison everyone wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry? We know Dinah's cry could reach 300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels.
I know what you're thinking. That's a difference of only 65 decibels. That can't be all that different. Wrong! It's totally different, because decibels are freaking weird.
See, decibels are not like meters or minutes, which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30 decibels is 10 times greater than 20 decibels. 40 is 10 times greater than 30, and so on.
So, every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it. Wait a minute, that means the canary cry would be
About 1,000,000 times stronger than the Banshee Scream, nearly 500 megatons of TNT.
awesome.
The closest real-life comparison we can make is the Krakatoa eruption of 1883. A volcano blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. Not so different from what Dinah has been shown to be capable of.
It also didn't hurt that Canary had those membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream.
In the end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels to finish her.
It was Sindel's time to die.
What, no pun about screams?
Well, I was gonna, but I thought a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed.
The winner is Black Canary.
Wait, this is Leonardo's third time on Death Battle. Okay. I don't like ketchup.
This episode of Death Battle is brought to you by SGC, the greatest party in gaming, going down July 17th through 19th in Frisco, Texas. Head to sgconvention.com for more details.